Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove Google Chrome startup page. So let's get started. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the top right corner of the browser, click on the three dots to open the Chrome menu. In the Chrome menu, hover over Settings and click on it. In the settings, look on the left sidebar and click on Startup. Here you can configure what happens when you open Chrome. You will see three options to choose from. This is the default option, which opens a blank new tab page. This option resumes your previous browsing session with all the tabs you had open when you last closed Chrome. And this option allows you to set a custom startup page. So that's how you can remove or change Google Chrome startup page. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.